Hello everybody. Today I am going to give you a short lesson on color theory. Let's start with the basic color wheel. The basic color wheel has 12 colors. Now we're going to talk about primary colors. The primary colors are yellow, blue, and red. The characteristic of the primary colors is that they cannot be mixed to be made. They do not come from the mixture of combining two or more colors. Now let's talk about secondary colors. Secondary colors are colors that become from the mixture of two primary colors. For example, if you mix the primary of yellow and red, you will get the secondary of orange. If you mix the primary of yellow and blue, you will get the secondary of green. If you mix the primaries blue and red, you will get the secondary violet or purple, like some people call it. Now we're going to talk about tertiary colors. Tertiary colors are the colors that come from the combination of a primary color and a secondary color. For example, if we take the primary red and we mix it with a secondary of orange, we will get red-orange. On the other hand, if we mix a primary of blue with a secondary of green, we will get blue-green. If we mix a combination of a primary yellow with a secondary of, let's say, green, we will get a tertiary that is yellow-green. Now I would like to teach you about complementary colors. Complementary colors are colors that are opposite each other on the color wheel. They're called complementary because when they are combined into a piece of artwork, they look good together next to each other. So complementary colors are, for example, orange and blue, red and green, and yellow and purple. Now let's talk about colors that are called analogous colors. Analogous colors are three colors that are next to each other on the color wheel. For example, yellow-orange, orange, and red-orange, or yellow, yellow-green, and green. Those are called analogous colors, next to each other on the color wheel. Now let's talk about hues, tints, tones, and shades. The word hue is the pure color. In other words, it's the actual name you call a color. You will call a color red or pink or violet and so on. That is called the hue. A tint is when you add white to a color to make it lighter. We call a tone when you add gray or the combination of black and white to any color. That dulls the color a little bit. In other words, it makes it muted. Next is a shade. A shade is when you add black to any color or hue. That will make the color very dark and also very muted. Thank you for watching my video on color theory. Have fun!